The new football betting season is almost here, and if you are serious about winning more bets, the apps you use can make a huge difference. That's why in this video, I will reveal the 10 best football prediction apps every bettor, I repeat, every bettor should have to make smarter betting decisions and maximize their chances of winning. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Football IQ, and as a professional football bettor, I have tested countless of prediction apps, and today I am sharing the ones that stand out for statistics, analysis, and reliable insights. Remember, no app guarantee wins, but the right tools can give you a real edge. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe for more football betting content, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite football prediction app now. So let's get straight into my own top 10. So at number 10 is BetKick. The number 10 app we are talking about in this video is BetKick. Follow up properly and attentively because I will show you how to use each and any of these apps. This video might be long, but I will try to make it as brief as possible, and believe me, you will not regret watching this video. So at number 10, we got BetKick. So this is what I love the most about this app. It got its tips of the day section where they select a given number of games, like 2 to 3 or 4 games, analyze and predict. So if you are the type that loves betting on small odds like odd 3 or 2 or 4, in fact, anywhere less than odd 5, then BetKick has a great section for you. But that's not all. This top 10 section of the app also gives amazing odds. By selecting 2 to 3 games. You can see the games they selected for today, they are yet to update the scores. But let us check out their yesterday scores in this same section. So you can see in this very section, these are their results. Their results are not very bad, but this is the most important section of this app, the matches section, where they give a rundown of all available games and they give their predictions. And you can see clearly for today, 8 July, everywhere you see green is games that have already played and everything went well. But where there is red is things did not work out well. So if you try to calculate the implied probability and percentage win of this app, you will never regret having this app as one of your betting predictions app. So take note of this app as we go into the second app. Coming in at number 9 is another amazing football prediction app. Just like me, you might even be surprised to see that this app ranks at number 9. So you should definitely know what awaits you. This app might get you confused, but let me direct you. You can see it got a lot of subsections: the safe and sure tips, the best total tickets, World Cup predictions. But I believe this section will be over after the World Cup. The top 5 tips of the day and Sunday 50 plus odds tickets. The over under goal, the single game, basketball tips and tennis predictions. But we will not discuss the 2 last sections because we are not here for that. Let us take a look at the safe and sure tips section, which is one of my best. You can see in this safe and sure tips section, as the name implies, they select 3 or 4 games at most. In fact, 3 games at most, and they go down deep on the predictions. So if you are a heavy bettor, you love betting on sure or on safe picks, safe or 2 picks, then this app should be your day-to-day guide. You can see for today games, 2 of the games are already good, and this tennis prediction will definitely follow. So if you are following this app, follow them. Don't take the games and take your own games and add to it. If you want to follow the games of the app, then just follow the games of the app. The next section is the best total, which focuses mostly on goals, even though they still predict wins in some cases. My best section is the top 5 tips of the day, because this section can give you a whole bet slip of a day and you are good to go, provided everything goes well. You can see today they are almost at 5 on 5 with their picks. Believe me, this app is amazing for a free app. So consider this app and use it properly. This is another important section of the app, the single game section. They can take a single game and play it in 3 different options. So if you bet with a bookmaker that accepts taking a single game and placing a variety of bets, then this section will be a great pick for you. You can see today they took Admira versus Fenerbahce game and played it in 3 different ways, and all the different ways were a success. As you can see, all these ways were a success. All the games went in well. So let us move quickly to the next app. The next app we are talking about in this video of the 10 best football predictions app is multi-betting tips. This app got 2 sections, as you can see, a free section and a VIP section. But I will advise you focus on the free section first, even if you are planning on purchasing the VIP section with time. But try out the free VIP section first. You can see they got a daily short tip section, where they select 3 games, and you can clearly see the 3 games of the day. Everything went on well. Believe me, this app got sniper entries in this daily short tips section. So follow it properly. Let us check out the next section, the football tips section. In the football tips section, they go with a higher number of games, and you can see everything went on well. They played Germany under 19 over 1.5 goals, went in Olympiacos club friendlies over 1.5 goals, everything went well. And Kairat Almaty to win. The out went in well. So I will still repeat, if you are following football prediction apps, go with exactly what they give to you. Don't add anything and don't subtract any game. If you are not sure, don't bet on their predictions. If you are not going with all the predictions, especially when an app focuses on 2, 3, or 4 games like these apps I'm providing to you. This is the best section of this app. I'm sure the money hunters will love this section because they predict daily 20 plus odds. But I should be honest with you, their accuracy is not as you will see in this video. It is not how it happens every day, but their daily 20 plus odds can give you a lead if you want to reduce it down to 10 plus odds. So you can see they made a clean sheet for today, but it is not like this every day. At least they got a good win probability. So let us move to the next app. The next app we are talking about is Football Predictions. That's the name, Football Predictions app. So this app, you might think it is a correct score app. In fact, even consider it as a correct score app. But I'm giving you this app to predict your home or away wins. So don't really consider their correct score. But their correct score should be elite for you if you want to play the goals option or both teams to score, because they are actually good too with their correct score options. So you can see for today games, they are predicting France to win against Morocco 2-1. And what I love with this app is that they give the win percentages and draw percentages. So everywhere you see these green tips in the finished games is where the tip went in well. So you can see they played here 1-0, and the match ended 1-0. Here they predicted the home team to win with 78%. Predicted score was 3-0, and the match ended 4-0. So you can see they are doing great with their predictions. Let us quickly check out their previous history. USA against Belgium, their predicted score was 2-1, but the match ended 4-1. So you would have made some profit on this game if you went in for both teams to score, or you went in directly for Belgium to win the game. The next game was Grêmio versus Água Santa, a Brazilian league game. Their predicted score was 1-0 in favor of the away team, but the match ended 3-1 in favor of the away team. So they predicted double chance. So you can see, but they still have some failures, but they have a good win probability. You can see green ticks going up. They have a good win probability. So follow this app carefully and take their predictions seriously. Do not mess around with these apps I'm giving to you. These are good gems I'm sharing with you for free. So let us move directly to the next app quickly without wasting much of your time. So at the number 6 position, we still have another football prediction app known as Football Predictions. Do not get confused. The name are similar, but believe me, the logos are different. And at the end of this video, I will be sharing various app logos so that you don't get confused. You know the right ones you should download. So you can clearly see their today games, they went in for tip GG. And these are where you see the green ticks, everything went well. Both teams score at full time. Here they went in for Kairat Almaty to win at full time, and most of their tips are accurate. Here in ML Vitebs versus Universal Craiova, they went in for total over 1.5 goals, and the game ended 4-1. The secret weapon of this app is its top tip section. Its top tip section provides you with 2 goals, but I think this is like an encouragement for you to go for their VIP tips. But once you are browsing this with an internet connection, you can clearly see here, if you want to unlock all expert tips, you can simply watch an ad and unlock it. But for the sake of time, I will not unlock the 6 sections. So you can do it once you download the app, you watch an ad, and you unload all sections. So that is it. Let us move directly to the next app. At the number 5 position, we got Bet on Air. We are slowly moving into my 5 best gems, my 5 best football prediction apps. So Bet on Air, just like previous app in this video, it got a lot of sections, but I will advise you to go with 3 or 4 sections, which is the best tips of the day, their safe picks, their daily 2+ odds, and their over and under tips section. So let us check out just 1 or 2 sections. Let us get started with best tips of the day. So as you can see, in their best tips of the day, they go in with just 3 games at most. And do not be surprised to see that these 3 games are even across different sports. One might be in football, and the other in tennis, and one in basketball. So it is even this variation in prediction that makes their app far more accurate, because they take proper time to analyze a single game in one sport, another in a different sport, so to give you higher percentage of winning your bet. So this was their 2+ odds of the day, and I believe everything went in well looking at these games and the scores already. Let us check out their previous games in this very section. So you can see on 7 July, they went in for 4 games. This is it clearly stated here. You can clearly see it. All the 4 games went in. Let us check out the 6th of July. They went in with 5 games. 3 on 5 went in. 5th of July, they went in. 5th, they have not yet, back in time, they have not updated. Let us check out the next section I will advise you to go with. Their daily 2+ option. This is still similar to the other sections, and you might at times find similar games. So consider this daily 2+ section the best tips of the day, and the over and under tip section. These are amazing odds. They got amazing odds and predictions. So let us go directly into our next app, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. At the number 4 position, I believe this app is very popular for those that are used to football prediction apps already. It is BetMines. This app is mostly focused on over 1.5 goals predictions, or under 3.5, or any team to win predictions. That's what this app mostly focuses on. And believe me, you might not believe their rate of accuracy. You can see for these first 5 games, 5 games, they went in for home to win, any team to win, over 1.5 goals, double chance. In fact, the way they variate their predictions, that's what also makes their secret weapon. But one disadvantage with this app is the fact that their odds are very small, so you need to accumulate a lot of their games before you can obtain a reasonable odds. Even if you check out their past, their recent predictions, you can see they still have a good success rate, but their odds are very small. So this prediction app is mostly for those that love betting close to 100% safe, because they try to make it as safe and simple as possible. So if you love betting safe, then you should definitely go with BetMines. The number 3 betting app on this video is one of my personal favorite. It's one of my personal weapons. So pay very, very much attention to this app. Elite Tips Bet. You can see they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 10 sections, but the 2 last sections are mostly focused on basketball tips and tennis tips. So they have 8 football sections. They have a low risk tip sections for those that love betting safe, where they provide 2 or 3 games for those that love betting safe. They have the just football section, where they don't mix any other sports. They predict just football. They have a single game section where they take their time, analyze a single game with a good odds, and predict that game. Either home team wins or away team to win. That's mostly what entails in this single tips section. They have a combo tip where they predict 2 to 3 games too, but different games from the various sections. They have a popular bet section. This one for today is empty. They have an over and under 2.5 goal sections where they focus on over 2.5 goals or under 2.5 goals, or the 2 to 3 goals section, or the 2 to 3 goals bet, which have great odds in various bookmakers. You can see the least odds for this option is at times 1.85, and they have high chances of entering. This is my personal favorite section when I want to hunt the cash. They go with 4 or 5 games with amazing odds. You can see here they're waiting for Craiovia wins. This odd 2 has already gone in. I have checked the score. This second game is still ongoing. Zira has already won. Odd 1.65 went in. This Balkani, the match is still ongoing. So this is already 2-4. And I'm sure everything will be going well. So this Elite Tips Bet is a very, very good app. Pay attention to this. And remember, I am doing this video because I have tested these apps and I have been using them. This is not a paid promotion video. So the second best betting football app. This is the second best betting football app in this video, but this is my first. This is my personal first. The favorite betting tips. They don't go for the jargons. They focus on their 3 games or 2 games and they give you premium predictions. Their favorite tips section. 2 games at most and you are cashing out. The best section, in fact, let me reserve the best for the last. Their football tips section. 2 games at most to either both teams to score option, as you can see, or under 3.5 goals. At times, over 2.5 goals. They got the favorite combo tips section where they mix wins with goals. And you can check out some of their old tips. You can see their old tips. Their games are not doing bad. And for those that love hunting the cash, what I love with each of these prediction apps is the fact that they have a section for anybody that loves hunting odds. This is the 20 plus odds section where they go for some complicated bets, I will say, because if you don't go for some complicated bets, it might be difficult to attain 20 plus odds. Today they are going for Mbappe, anytime goal scorer, and looking at the great form in which Kylian Mbappe is in this World Cup, it is the probability is high that he should at least back in 1 goal. But this is the most complicated game in this 20 plus odds section. Their draw predictions, because predicting a draw is not easy. So this is my best section, the single match section. No headaches, just certainty and safety. So this section, even though they don't make it every day, but believe me, on 10 betting days, this section can have it right 8 on 10 days. But their odds are, it is difficult to see one of their games in this section with odds reaching 1.75. So this is not a very great option if you'll be betting just on the single games. So that is it. Let us move now to the first and the best football prediction app. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. So for the first football prediction app, I reserve this for the last position. I believe the best football prediction app is your own personal app you got. So share it with us in the comment section, because with respect to your strategy, your football prediction app is definitely the best. This is the reason why I kept my analysis and predictions from number 9 till number 2. So let us know in the comment section, what is your own best football prediction app? So as I promised at the start of the video, these are the various logos and names of the apps. So make sure to check them out and use them meticulously. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe. Comment, as it helps this channel to keep growing and this video will reach many more bettors, so that this football season we can continue beating the bookmakers. So see you in the next one.